Hey YouTube, we're Marko with Marko Custom Built Models, coming to you today with an unboxing of the Ford GT Mark II 124 scale GT40. That this kit is by Fujimi here, and also I think they've relicensed the Fujimi kit to be released under Revell, so this kit will be currently available. And then basically this is what you're going to get in the box. But anyway, this is one version of it. This is basically the 66 Le Mans 24-hour race. This is the first place car. That's what the decaling and all that comes with for that. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so first off, right on the top here are the instructions. It's a pretty basic kit. As you can see, there's not a lot of pieces here, but it builds up really nice. These kits go together, you paint them up. They don't have like a full engine, but they build up quite nicely. And if you wanted to, you could probably put a Ford engine in there. It wouldn't be that hard to come across something like that. Make that work. So in the one first bag here is the beautiful body here. Let's just so this is a one-piece body. There's no opening doors or hood or engine compartment. Sometimes that's nice. You don't have to worry about, you know, little tiny hinges breaking off or things like that. You can build the car, make it look nice. It sits on the shelf, so it is a curbside. You do see some engine detail through the rear window on these cars, so not a lot, more or less just the air cleaner setup, or open carburetor, I should say. So that's the body. It does look like there's maybe an opening compartment in the where the trunk is. That one's molded in black. Next up we have the wheels and tires, and they come with the tires just kind of pressed onto the wheels a little bit. In this particular release, you get the wheels and tires, and they come with a pretty nice finish on them. They're not super bright chrome. They got sort of that polished aluminum look with the knockoffs here. Let's see if I can get this to focus here. You got the 4 knockoffs here for the center of the wheels, and then on these Fujimi kits they use these little plastic pieces to push the wheels onto an axle. You get one axle for the rear, and I think the front has posable steering wheels, so you can set them up that way. So that's what you get in that bag. So you get pretty clear plastic. There's not a lot of distortion in it. You have a front windshield. Looks like the rear glass and side windows. This looks like the air cleaner intake assembly. This might be a scoop that has to be painted. It just happened to come clear. You got some corner markers, some headlight covers, rear window, and other little corner markers and headlights and things like that. So there's the glass there. You get one bag of plastic. First up we have the tree that has the flat bottom chassis. Okay, not a lot of like under detail, but probably the underside of the car was fairly flat like that anyway. You have the rotors, the brake rotors, nice detail on those with the calipers. We got our brake pedal assembly here, gas pedal, steering wheel. It looks like a radiator detail. These are those famous Ford GT40 seats. And all the little suspension that goes on. You got steering here. Looks like the rack. Here you have sort of a transmission component and rear suspension and front suspension detail like shocks. It all goes together. It'll probably look pretty good. So that's on that tree there. It's one side and the other. Then next up we have the interior cockpit tub, which has the fuel tanks in here on each side. We have the GT40 dashboard, which has right-hand drive. This is the firewall that has the rear window, goes in the back. We have our hood here. Some different, looks like transmission detail. And some scoops and things like that, boxes. And And all the other components in there, these look like door panels, inner door panels. So there's the back side of that tree there, and the front side there. And then we have our decals or decals. This one here seems to have a little bit of a, oh, it's got a cutout on purpose. So I thought maybe it was damaged, but actually there's nothing wrong with it. It has a pie cutout for to go around something on the car. Obviously here's the piece that probably goes around. There are Gt40 stripes, gauges, and of course number 2 to make the number 2 car with all the correct splits in it to be able to go around the door lines and things like that. So very nice there. Also you get, if you can see it, it's a little bit tough to see. You have Firestone decals for the tires. Very hard to see on that sheet though. And we get some photo etch, which is kind of beautiful for this model. It has the rear grille, so right at the back, that'll all be nice, transparent, like open grille there. And then we get some seatbelt detail, a couple of hood pin detail, things like that. So very nice piece there. It'll really help dress up this simple but elegant model. So that's everything in the box. So there you have it. The Ford GT40 by Fujimi, also licensed under other versions. So anyway, keep your eye out for that. Nice kit in the box. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell for notifications. As always, like, share, and comment. Have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.